Is Amazon Prime and the Amazon Reward Visa credit card worth it? Yes, absolutely. It is the best. It's amazing. Well, I mean, sometimes. Not for everyone. Some people shouldn't get it at all. I'm going to give you the pros and the cons of Amazon Prime and the Amazon Prime Visa and let you decide for yourself if it's right for you. Welcome back to my channel. I make videos about making money, saving money, investing, real estate investing, and credit cards. So if these are subjects you like, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Before I get started, I'm going to give you a way you can use Amazon for free entertainment. As you probably know, Amazon is a way to go shopping and spend a lot less money and have it shipped straight to your door pretty fast too. One of the nice things about Amazon are the reviews. Before you buy something, you can read through the reviews and see what everybody else has to say about the product. Once you purchase something, you can leave your own review to help others as well. There's some pretty fun and entertaining reviews, so if you need to have a little fun and not spend any money, just read some of the reviews. I pulled up a couple I'd like to share with you. Many of the reviews on this item are just hilarious. It's a slicer that will cut your banana in case you don't want to use a knife. We were so excited to get our Hetzler 571 until we realized that our bananas curved the wrong way. Gonna have to go to the store for new bananas. And the photo is just adorbs. Next review is titled, Turning a Bad Situation into a Good Review. This eyeliner won't run around like your man does. I bought this eyeliner, and the first day I wore it, I found out my boyfriend of 5 years was cheating on me. And I cried and went to the bathroom to make sure my makeup streaks were wiped off my face. But it was completely perfect. Through all that crying, it stayed in place. So thank you for making an eyeliner that's more trustworthy than my man. I think someone picked the wrong man and the right eyeliner. Next, we have a review from Kelly, who reviews scissors. What can you say about scissors? They're scissors. You put one blade on either side of something you wish to cut, squeeze the handles together, and it cuts. Super sharp, too. They cut almost as precisely as my father's comments about my career path. Well, Kelly, at least you have a sense of humor. One of the features I like on the Amazon reviews are the questions. If you want to purchase something, you can ask a question and people that have purchased it will get an email and can answer the question. I've both asked and answered questions, and it's helped me figure out if I want to buy something, and I've helped other people. This question is about a review for down pillows. Question: are they noisy? Do you hear the feathers moving when your head is on the pillow? Answer: no, the geese used are dead. The reviews and entertainment are free, but the Amazon Prime membership is up to $119 a year or about $13 a month at this time, with some people that get some discounts. Is it worth it? Should you get it? Do you already have it? The answer is, it depends. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're going to get at least the amount of value that you paid for it, if not more. There's lots of benefits to the membership, one of the main one being the fast, free shipping for many items. You also get Amazon Prime, which is a streaming service kind of like Netflix. They have their own original shows, TV shows, movies, and series, and it's pretty good. You get deals on lots of items. They have Amazon Fresh, which is kind of like a market that gets delivered to you in certain areas. They have Prime Groceries, Prime Pantry, the videos. You get music, streaming service. I actually use that on all my devices, my computer, my phone, my Amazon Alexa. I pay a little more for that one to get more variety. They have Amazon Reading, where you can get free ebooks, and you can even borrow ebooks on your Kindle. If you don't have a Kindle, you can download the app for free. They have Amazon Gaming and Amazon Free Time. They also offer photo share and photo save services. If you decide to get Amazon Prime, the next step is to get the Amazon Rewards Visa Signature Card. Again, this is not for everyone, but if you use credit cards correctly, it's a pretty good deal. This is a great card as long as you are disciplined enough to pay your credit card bill in full each month on time to avoid all fees. The interest rate on this card is very high, and the way they calculate it is higher than most. So this is definitely not something you're going to do if you're going to carry a balance. One of the ways to use credit cards responsibly is to put your regular expenses on there that you would anyway to get the benefits. Don't spend any more money, and of course pay it in full. I know I say this on every credit card video, but it is so important. There's lots of features on the Amazon credit card. My favorite is the 5% cash back on Amazon Prime, Whole Foods, and other Amazon services. They have insurance and travel protection and extended warranties as well. Once you get your 5% cash back, you've got a few ways to redeem it. I've always just used it to purchase more items on Amazon, so when I go to shopping on there, I see my balance and I don't have to actually pay anything. I recently stopped doing that and just taken the money. That way when I shop on Amazon, I can use my credit card again and get another 5% back and get a little bit more money back in the long run. One thing to be really careful on Amazon is because they are so big, they have a lot of items that are bootleg. A lot of the makeup, beauty products, pet food, electronics, and some of the designer items are not genuine. You will need to see who the seller is on some of these items, read through the reviews carefully, and see if you can figure out if they're legit or not. I personally stopped buying any kind of makeup or beauty product. I would buy some hair products from Amazon that were $35 at the hairdresser and $8 on Amazon, and it didn't work because it wasn't the correct product. I've also stopped buying ink on Amazon. I used to buy my ink cartridges on Amazon because I would buy one ink at a time as I needed it. The reason I did this, I have a $20 printer that I purchased over 5 years ago, and I keep thinking it's not gonna last, but it just keeps hanging on. A few times in a row, I would get my ink from Amazon, and it had weird packaging and it didn't last very long. I started buying my ink directly from the manufacturer at HP, and it turns out the price is about the same and they have free shipping, but it just takes a little longer. So now I just keep an extra cartridge, I wait the extra day or two, and I know I'm getting the real deal. Amazon Prime also offers a book service so you can read books on your Kindle. So do you have Amazon Prime? Do you have the Amazon credit card? If you do, what are some of the features you like about your Amazon Prime? As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support and coming back and watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!